Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for the love and support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. If you're new here, a warm welcome. As you can see by the title, I am making curry chicken. Authentic Jamaican style curry chicken. My way, my version. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this.
Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me and for do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J them say
So the chicken is already washed in vinegar, seasoned with chicken season, garlic powder, natural blend green season, turmeric, black pepper, cayenne pepper. So now it's time to do some curry chicken. For this curry chicken, I'll be using the Better Pack curry. And this is the curry of my choice. I already have the pot on the fire. And I'm going to put a small portion of oil. To that, I'm going to add some garlic and some ginger. Now I'm going to add my curry. I'm going to mix this in. And I'm going to have my curry cook a little. I'm not going to say burn because I don't want it get too dark. So now it's time to add the chicken. And I'm just going to make sure all the chicken covered with the curry. I'm just going to mix it in. Stir it out. So now that all the chicken covered with curry, I'm just going to cover it. So now I'm going to allow it to spring its own liquid before adding any water to that. So here's some of the seasoning that I'm going to be using. Onion, scallion, thyme, hot pepper, and pimento. So this is what the chicken looks like after springing its own liquid. Yes, guys, it generates its own liquid. You see that? Just have to lower the flame and let it send out whatever inside. So guys, I just cover it and let it simmer down, but now I'm adding some hot water. And the reason why I add hot water is so the temperature don't break down. Now I'm adding the seasoning. So that's the scallion, the thyme, the onion, the hot pepper, and the pimento. Now I'm adding the potato, Irish potato or white potato. Yes, guys, I'm just mixing this up. And this smells so good. So now I'm gonna add some chicken seasoning to that. And some garlic powder. Now I'm adding some more spice to it, so I'm adding some red crushed pepper. And I'm just gonna allow this to simmer down some more. And then we'll be having some curry chicken. Yes, guys. And it smells so good inside this kitchen right now. I better pack curry go on with itself. Yes. Now is the time to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. All right? Let's share a plate. Curry chicken ready. Ready to eat. I'm going to box down this with 2 dumplings and piece of sweet potato. There you have it, my lovely people. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what you wait pan? Go ahead, man. Do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Please subscribe for more. Here I cook food, eat food, and talk about food. Join the channel.